Hello and good morning, everyone. So, today is the third trading session of this week. So, let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Tata Motors because company's global wholesale down by 9% to 2.99 lakh unit. Commercial vehicle wholesale down by 6% on yearly basis. Passenger vehicle wholesale down by 10% and JLR wholesale down by 11% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Ola Electric Mobility because EV company announced the rollout of its in-house developed MOS 5 software across its S1 scooter lineup and the newly launched Roadster X motorcycle. According to the company, the latest software upgrade enhance vehicle performance, boost reliability and extend range unlocking capabilities and refining the overall riding experience. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Steel because company reported a steady crude production of 5.26 million ton in India for fiscal year 26 quarter 1, marginally lower than 5.27 million ton in the same quarter last year. Deliveries in India stood at 4.75 million ton, down 3.8% Y&Y basis due to the maintenance shutdown at its Jamshedpur and Neelachal Ispat Nigam Limited facility. The next stock which you need to look at is Computer Age Management Services because CAMS has officially launched a new CAMS Pay Payment Gateway, a next generation platform to address the evolving demand of India's fastest changing digital payment landscape. The gateway is engineered to support over 5,000 transactions per second, making its deal for high volume enterprise. The next stock which you need to look at is Bejel project because company will expand its Ranjangaon plant galvanization capacity from 40,500 MT to 1,10,000 million ton annually by fiscal year 27, investing 170 crores through internal accruals and debt also. The next stock is JSW Steel because company reported 14% Y&Y increase in consolidated crude steel production, reaching 7.26 million ton in quarter 1. The company's Indian operation contributed around 7.02 million ton, marking a 15% increase from the same quarter last year. The next stock which you need to look at is Union Bank of India because bank posted a 5% Y&Y raise in total business for quarter 1, reaching 22.1 lakh crore up from 21.08 lakh crore in the same period last year. Total deposit rose by 3.63% on yearly basis to 12.39 lakh crore from 11.96 lakh crore. The next stock which you need to look at is Gujarat Pipavav Port because company reported container throughput of 164,000 TEUs in quarter 1, slightly below last year, which is 165,000 TEUs. Dry bulk volume held steady at 0.55 million ton, while liquid cargo rose to 0.45 million metric ton, up from 0.34 million metric ton a year ago. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is 5paisa because company's net profit is down by 42% on Y&Y basis and reported at 11.54 crores. The revenue is again down by 24% on yearly basis at 77.68 crores. EBITDA down by 32.2% on Y&Y basis at 25.17 crores and EBITDA margins down to 32.4% from 36.3%. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.